In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to import titling data into your RF Cloud application. To do that, the first thing we do is select the application we want to work in. We then come down to Import and select Data Tile. We then select the titling tile. We import our tiles following the import instructions. First, we download the import template. We can do that by clicking the icon and then saving to the appropriate location. Then we enter the data according to our data rules. Data rules are: column headings must not be changed. In the column heading, asterisk indicates a mandatory field, and in the column heading, the caret symbol indicates a linked field. If the value does not exist, it will be created. When importing title data, we link it to a file folder profile. In this case, we have 4 file folder profiles created: the default, a HR file, a business services file, and an IT file. In this case, we'll select the IT file. Let's have a look at our IT file titling structure. Within our file folder configuration screen for our IT files, we can see we have a custom titling structure defined. 4 levels. Level 1, selecting from a predefined list. Level 2, from a predefined list, with the value dependent on level 1. In title 3, we'll select from a predefined list with the value dependent on the value in title 2. Line 4 will be free text. Therefore, in our sample data import, we need to configure our data to match. As our titling structure is 3 levels hierarchical and a 4th level of free text, we need to fill in our import template data accordingly. We can see as this is imported, it's going to import in that hierarchy. Title 4 we don't import because it's free text. Once we've entered our data according to the data rules, we've selected our file folder type with which we're going to associate this titling import. We select our import. We browse, select the appropriate template, and we click Upload. We can see that we've successfully imported 10 records. Within our application, we can now have a look at how we've imported that titling data and how we've linked it and associated it to our file folder profile for IT files. If we click into there, select Add, we can see we now have 4 levels of titling. 3 levels hierarchical, 4th level is free text. Based on our import, we can now select our titling. Let's have a look now at importing some titling data into a different titling structure. In this example, we're going to import into our file folder profile for business services. Here, our custom titling is 4 levels. This time, we're selecting from a predefined list in value 1, a predefined list in title 2, and a predefined list in title 3. There is no linking between the titling. There is no hierarchical format. Title 4 will be free text. In this example, we'll select our file folder type as business services. Let's have a look at our sample data. Because we're only selecting from a predefined list, we will import 2 values into title 1, 5 values into title 2, and 10 values into title 3. We can select any of those values at any point. Title 4 is free text, so we won't import anything. To import, we browse, select the appropriate template, and click Upload. We can see we've successfully imported 10 records. Let's have a look in the client. Within our application, we can go to our maintenance menu, into our file folder profile for business services. We can click Add. We can now see our titling structure Title 1, 2, 3, and free text in level 4. Title 1 is predefined list. Title 2 is a predefined list. And Title 3 is a predefined list. No dependency on the previous value. It's recommended to do your import of your titling directly after you have created your record profile for a particular file type.